Welcome back, friends. This is the Daily Dialogue Speak Smart, Think Global. I'm Daniel, and I'm here with
Sophie. And today we've got a rich, useful, and fun topic that you'll use almost every day in English, describing people.
from telling someone what your friend looks like to sharing what kind of person you are. This is everyday, real-life English.
We'll talk about physical appearance, personality, behaviour, emotions, style, and more. Each section is packed with learning, so stay till the end.
And remember, this channel is your place to grow in English. Subscribe now if you haven't already. Hit the bell and join our learning family.
Let's start with describing someone's appearance. This means how they look, height, body type, facial features, hair, clothes, even posture.
Vocabulary time. Repeat after us and think of someone who matches each word.
Height and build, tall, short, medium height, slim, thin, average build, chubby, overweight, muscular,
Hair. Long, short, medium length, burly, straight, wavy, blonde, brown, black, red, gray, bald,
eyes and features, brown eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, freckles, beard, glasses, dimples, wrinkles, piercing,
style in clothes, casual, formal, trendy, sporty, wearing a hoodie, suit, heels, t-shirt, scarf, boots,
Grammar tip. We use has for hair, eyes, and facial features.
she has long curly hair. She has long curly hair.
We use is for height or body shape.
He is tall and slim. She is medium height and chubby.
Mini dialogue example.
Sophie, can you describe your best friend?
Sure. She's medium height with dark brown eyes. She has curly hair, always wears bright colours, and walks with confidence.
She sounds awesome.
Practice with us. Describe yourself using 3 adjectives. Say it out loud or write it in the comments. I'm tall and slim. I have short black hair and glasses.
Or describe a celebrity? Use complete sentences. And while you're here, tap that like button to help us reach more learners like you. How someone looks is just one part. Now let's describe who they are on the inside, their personality.
Personality adjectives. Repeat after us. Positive traits. Kind, generous, confident, friendly, funny, hardworking, honest, creative, open-minded, supportive.
Negative traits. Rude, lazy, selfish, shy, impatient, moody, arrogant, bossy.
Let's use them in examples. My dad is hardworking and responsible. She's a bit shy, but very kind once you know her. He's funny, but sometimes lazy.
We say lazy, what's the opposite?
Hard-working. Let's do a few more. Friendly, on to shy. Generous, on to selfish. Honest, on to dishonest. Patient, on to impatient. Open-minded, onto close-minded.
Great. Now describe yourself using both a strength and a weakness. I'm very creative, but sometimes impatient.
Grammar reminder. Use the verb to be. He is generous. They are supportive. Don't say he has generous. That's incorrect.
Viewer check-in.
Pause the video and write this in your journal. My best friend is, describe looks and personality.
And if you're enjoying this, tell us which personality trait best describes you. Comment it now, and make sure to subscribe for more practical English like this.
Sometimes describing a feeling is more important than describing looks or personality. Let's go deeper into emotions and behaviours.
Vocabulary. Positive emotions. Excited, grateful, proud, inspired, motivated, joyful, curious.
Negative emotions. Nervous, angry, embarrassed, frustrated, sad, confused, lonely.
Let me tell you a story. Once, I was traveling in Italy and tried to describe a local man to my friend. I said, "He's bald, looks serious, and kind of angry." Turns out, he was just squinting at the sun and super friendly.
That's a great example of how appearance doesn't always match behaviour, so be careful how you judge.
Exactly. Use emotional descriptions only when you're sure of the person's feelings, or describe actions instead. He seemed nervous. She looked excited.
Language tip. Softening emotions. Use a bit or seems to soften your sentences. He seemed frustrated. She's a bit confused. They looked proud. This helps you sound natural and polite.
Challenge time. Finish this sentence. When I'm nervous, I usually tell us in the comments.
We want to hear your real experiences. Also, this is the perfect time to say, share this episode with your learning partner. Let's grow together. Okay, let's get creative. We'll describe a person using everything we've learned. You guess who we're talking about.
Guess who? This person is very short and wears round glasses. He has messy black hair and a lightning-shaped scar. He's brave, loyal, and fights against evil. Who is it?
If you said Harry Potter, you're right. Here's a full paragraph. Listen carefully. My grandmother is in her late 70s. She's short, with soft white hair and kind eyes. She wears simple clothes and always smells like flowers. She's calm, patient, and tells the best stories. Everyone in our family loves being around her.
Isn't that beautiful? Now you try. Write your own paragraph in your notebook, describing someone you love.
Match the appearance word with a personality. Short, energetic, chubby, funny, bald, serious, freckles, playful. These are associations, not rules. Let your imagination help your memory.
Like what you're learning? Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's keep going.
Let's wrap up with some things to avoid and how to speak respectfully when describing people.
Common mistakes. Saying he has glasses, he wears glasses. Saying she has tall, she is tall. Saying he has angry, he looks angry, or he is angry.
Cultural tips. Be polite when describing weight or age. Don't assume personality from looks. Compliment style, energy, or smile. It's friendly and safe. Avoid words like fat or ugly in public settings.
Describe yourself in 6 full sentences. Height, hair, eyes, clothes, personality, one emotion you often feel.
Today, you've learned adjectives for looks, style, behaviour, emotions, grammar patterns and polite forms, storytelling techniques, cultural awareness, vocabulary for short and long descriptions.
Write about a person you admire and describe them fully. Use your journal or post in the comments. We'd love to read it.
And please, If this episode helped you, share it, like it, and subscribe. It means the world to us and keeps this channel growing.
You've been learning with the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart. Think global.